Turning your engine FFZ7604. Turning good. At the front, engines look as well as you can see. Have little damage on the plastic cover on the front. Compressor looks good, no damage. Altimeter look as well as you can see, under metal cover. And on this side, engines looks good. Starter look nice, no damage. Have computer engine with Hornet. Gearbox look as well as you can see. And on this side, engines looks good. All windows in good conditions, no water. And on the top, as you can see, all connectors and injectors looks good. Plastic cover look as well. And on the bottom, no cracks, no leaks, no damage. And turning your engine FFZ7604.